Bless you. Bless you. Thanks. So, which one? Oh, well, we both said bless you. I'm just wondering which one blessed you. Oh, I don't know. I mean...
Well, technically I said it first, so...
Yeah, that's true. Okay, but I've known you the longest, and I feel like that should mean something to you. I mean, that's a good point, too.
Yeah, but me and you spent that one time together. Remember?
What?
And still, I said bless you first. I don't even think you would have said it if I hadn't said it first.
No, of course, I was gonna say it. I don't know, guys. What